Good morning, my beautiful Diag friends. A lot of you have asked for me to show you the chart that I made for my student. So this is what it looks like, or similar. I have the student's name up here. So I'm going to show you real quickly how to create this. If you go to an Excel spreadsheet, and if you need help figuring out how to get there, then just email me and I'll do another video for you. But I've copied and pasted my scores in. I'm going to highlight them. I'm going to go up to Insert, and I want to insert a chart, so I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to select the first one. I'm going to move it up. You're going to give your chart a title. You can give it whatever title you want. Like I said, I usually put the student's name. Then I'm going to set my axis right here, and I want it to be with different points. So, axis options. And I'm going to select it to start at about 45 to go up to maybe 125, and you can set this to anything you want, however you want it to be. And to go up by 10, so if you want it to go up by 5, 45, 50, 55, you just change that. So then you have your points here. I like for my scores to be right here, so I'm going to click on these little blue bars. I'm going to click on the plus sign, add data labels, and if you click over here, it'll let you add them where you want them. And I like them at the end right here. That's where I like mine, but you can see you have tons of options. And then I want a colored overlay, so I'm going to come back to Insert, come over here to this one to where it says Shape, click on my shape, and I want it to say from 85 to 115. That is the average range, and I don't want it to be that blue and covering up everything. So when I click on this, this little box shows up, and I'm going to choose just a light yellow, like it's highlighted. I'm going to make it transparent so you can actually see the scores through it. You can make it as transparent as you want. I'm just going to select that, and as you can see, your chart is highlighted. You can print this out and have a sweet little chart for your students to look at or for your parents. If you need different instructions, this was too fast, or you need more data information, please just let me know. Thanks.